Rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy. Here's what you need to know about rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy. First things first, your most pressing question may be, how long does bankruptcy last? The good news is you might be eligible for discharge from bankruptcy in as little as 9 months. Of course, during those 9 months, you'll have some responsibilities. You'll have to attend 2 credit counseling sessions to help you better manage your finances, and you'll be expected to keep track of your income and expenses. When you receive a discharge, most of your debt is cancelled, and you can make a fresh start. Another key question you might be asking is, how long does bankruptcy stay on my credit report? Bankruptcy is on your credit report for 6 years, and you can use that time to start rebuilding your credit. But you can't rebuild credit if you don't have credit, which leads us to the next question. Can I get credit cards after bankruptcy? The answer is yes. In fact, you're actually considered a better risk once you get rid of your debt through bankruptcy. Plus, there are options available to you. For example, a secured card, used responsibly, can be a good way to help you start rebuilding your credit. How do I improve my credit score? Once you have a secured card, the secret is to only use it to charge a reasonable amount based on your budget. For example, if your monthly budget includes an oil change, use credit. Then pay the balance off in full before the due date. Repeat this cycle with other items over a couple of years, and you'll be well on your way to rebuilding good credit. Start now. How soon will my credit score improve after bankruptcy? The sooner you start, the sooner you can start rebuilding your credit. And the place to start is with LC Taylor, Licensed Insolvency Trustees. You can call them at 1-800-463-8371 to set up a free consultation, because your debt rescue starts here.